Hey, this is Susan from smokergrillgirl.com, and what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be smoking some leg quarters. And what I did was I seasoned them in this roasted pineapple and habanero sauce glaze. We seasoned them at 6 o'clock this morning, and it is 5:10 in the afternoon, so they've been seasoning for a few hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just put them on the grill. We've set the temperature to 400, and we're going to put them on the grill with the bone side down, and they're going to cook for at least 30 minutes, or at least until the temperature reaches, the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. Close the lid and let them cook for about 30 minutes, and then we'll come back out here and check the temperature. And once they've cooked on the bone side, we're going to go ahead and flip them over to the skin side to see if we can darken the skin a little bit. Alright, see you in a bit. Okay, it's been about 35 minutes, and as you can see, the temperature on the probe is 166 degrees right now. So we're going to go ahead and flip them and put them on the fire side so that the skin part can turn brown. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the probe out. And then you can see that the skin part did not turn brown. So what we're going to do is we're just going to flip them over and put them on the on top of the flame broiler and see if we can darken up that skin a little bit. So I'm just going to close the lid and leave them there for maybe a minute, and then we'll go ahead and see if the skin got brown, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay, so the chicken's been on over the direct flame for about 2 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and flip them over and see if they're done. And they are both done. So we're going to go ahead and remove them from the grill. And then we're going to just go ahead and let the chicken rest, and then we'll be back to do a taste test. So I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so we've let them rest for about 10 minutes, and what we're going to do is I've already cut a little section right here, and we're going to just go ahead and take a sample of it. You can really taste the roasted pineapple and the habanero, and it has a really smoky flavor to it. And we marinated it in this glaze for about 11 hours, and we smoked them on 400 for 35 minutes, and they came out perfect. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and be sure and visit my website at smokergrillgirl.com, and I will talk to you later. Have a great day.